Here's the chickens having a good time. Look at them, nice and close. And our father's about to hug them. They're very unusual chickens, these ones. They let their father hug them and look after them. Yeah, see? Father's just about to go grab the pigeon.
Every action,
Pigeons. Pigeons.